You won't believe it, but this isn't a toy or a prop. It's a fully functional television. Welcome back to Gadget Burst, where today we're diving into 30 of the most mind-blowing mini gadgets that actually exist in 2026. From hacker tools that fit in your palm to speakers that turn your window into a concert hall, these tiny titans are about to prove that size really doesn't matter. Let's get small. Tiny TV 2. This is the Tiny TV 2, and yes, it's a real working television that fits on your fingertip. Don't let the 1-inch screen fool you. This thing features a crisp IPS display and a front-facing speaker that actually packs a punch. It comes preloaded with videos, but the real magic happens when you use the tiny knobs to change channels or adjust the volume. You can even upload your own movies via USB-C. It's basically a portal to a miniature world that fits right in your pocket. Mini Jet Fan A9. Next up, meet the Mini Jet Fan A9. It looks like a prop from a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a high-velocity air duster. We're talking about a brushless motor spinning at 130,000 RPM. To show you the raw power, look at it move this heavy object across the desk. Whether you're cleaning your keyboard, drying your car's side mirrors, or just want to feel like you're in a wind tunnel, this pocket-sized hurricane is surprisingly violent in the best way possible. Humbird Bone Conduction Speaker. Ever wanted to turn your entire house into a speaker? The Humbird Bone Conduction Speaker uses magic vibrations to turn any hollow surface into a high-fidelity soundbox. Stick it to a guitar and it sounds deep and acoustic. Snap it onto a window and the glass becomes a massive diaphragm. It's 10 times louder than your phone speaker, but smaller than a golf ball. It's the ultimate party trick gadget that actually delivers a unique DIY audio experience every time you move it. Laser Keyboard Projector. If you want to feel like you've stepped into a sci-fi movie, the Laser Keyboard Projector is your ticket. This tiny cube uses a red laser diode to beam a full-sized virtual keyboard onto any flat surface. It's not just a projection though. Advanced infrared sensors track your finger movements with surgical precision. It even doubles as a virtual mouse. Whether you're typing out emails on a coffee shop table or just want to blow people's minds, this pocket-sized hologram is the ultimate Mission Impossible accessory. Insta360 Go 3S. Action cameras are usually bulky, but the Insta360 Go 3S is roughly the size of your thumb. The secret sauce? Its magnetic body. You can literally snap it onto your shirt, a hat, or even a pendant under your clothes for seamless POV shots. It shoots in stunning 4K and features flow state stabilization that's so smooth it looks like you're using a gimbal. It's the only camera that disappears into your outfit while capturing every high-octane moment of your life in high definition. 8BitDo Micro. A fully functional Bluetooth controller that's actually smaller than a credit card. Weighing just 24 grams, it packs 16 tactile buttons and works perfectly with your Switch, Android, or even as a shortcut remote for your iPad. Watching someone play a real game on something this microscopic is a trip. It's the perfect emergency controller to keep on your keychain for those moments when on-screen touch controls. Flipper Zero. This little guy looks like a retro toy, but the Flipper Zero is actually a Swiss Army knife for hackers and geeks. It can interact with radio protocols, NFC, infrared, and even sub-gigahertz frequencies. Watch as it reads a digital signal right out of the air. Whether you're using it as a universal remote for every TV in the building or testing the security of your own smart home, it's a powerful digital multi-tool that fits in the palm of your hand. Spy Camera Detector. In a world of hidden lenses, the Spy Camera Detector is your personal privacy bodyguard. You just peer through the specialized red infrared lens, and it makes any hidden camera, no matter how small or well disguised, glow like a bright red dot. It's light, battery-powered, and essential for anyone who travels or stays in rentals. It's the kind of gadget you hope you never need, but you'll be incredibly glad you have it when you're checking a suspicious-looking clock or smoke detector. Plaud Note. The Plaud Note is a record-breaking AI voice recorder that is so thin it literally disappears when you snap it to the back of your phone. But don't let the slim profile fool you. It uses ChatGPT integration to not only record your calls and meetings, but to instantly transcribe and summarize them into organized notes. It's the ultimate productivity spy tool for anyone who hates taking notes but wants to remember every single detail of a conversation. Rolling Square Air Card. Meet the Rolling Square Air Card, the world's first card-shaped tracker that actually fits in a standard wallet slot without adding any bulk. It's about the thickness of 2 credit cards and works seamlessly with Apple's Find Me network. If you lose your wallet, you can trigger a 105 decibel siren that's surprisingly loud for something so thin. Plus, it features a digital business card on the back. Just tap it to a phone to share your info. It's the ultimate stealth insurance for your most important pocket item.
YubiKey 5C Nano. This is the YubiKey 5C Nano, and it might be the smallest gadget on our list today. It's a hardware security key that stays almost entirely flush with your laptop's USB port, making it practically invisible. It's designed to stay there permanently, providing unhackable 2-factor authentication for your most sensitive accounts. No more fumbling for your phone to get a text code, just a quick tap on this tiny gold contact point and you're securely logged in. It's the gold standard of digital armor in a microscopic form factor. Thermal camera. Infiray P2 Pro. Turn your smartphone into a high-tech vision tool with the Infiray P2 Pro. This is officially the world's smallest thermal camera, but it delivers professional-grade heat vision. Watch as it instantly highlights the heat signature of this coffee cup or detects a person through a dark room. Whether you're hunting for energy leaks in your house, checking for overheating electronics, or just playing Predator in the backyard, this tiny plug-and-play sensor gives you a literal superpower that fits in your change. Rolling Square InCharge XL. If you're tired of carrying a tangled mess of wires, the InCharge XL is the Swiss Army knife of cables. This 6-in-1 powerhouse can charge everything from your tiny earbuds to a high-powered MacBook Pro with a 100-watt delivery. It features a patented slide system that switches between USB-A, USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB in seconds. It's rugged, braided, and magnetically snaps together to hang on your keychain. It's basically the last charging cable you'll ever need to buy, shrunk down into a pocket-friendly footprint. Lumintop EDC Pico. Don't let the size of the Lumintop EDC Pico fool you. It's smaller than your pinky finger but packs a massive 130 lumen punch. One quick twist and it floods a dark room with light, easily outperforming the flashlight on your smartphone. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum and charges via a hidden USB port. It's so light you'll forget it's on your keys until you're in a dark parking lot or a power outage, and suddenly you're carrying the power of a lighthouse in your pocket.
The Nano Bag. The Nano Bag is essentially a magic trick you can wear. It starts as a tiny, squishy pouch that fits in the palm of your hand, but when you unzip it, a full-sized, heavy-duty shopping bag emerges. It's made from diamond ripstop tech fabric that's thinner than a human hair, but strong enough to carry 66 pounds of groceries. It's the perfect solution for those "oops, I bought too much" moments, and it folds back down into its microscopic pouch in seconds. Truly a feat of material engineering. KeySmart Nano Scissors. Most keychain scissors are absolute junk, but the KeySmart Nano Scissors are a different breed. These are spring-loaded and made from polished stainless steel, designed to fold down into a tiny sliver that fits perfectly on your keyring. Watch as they effortlessly glide through this thick cardboard. Whether you're opening a stubborn Amazon package or trimming a loose thread, these offer a surprisingly ergonomic grip for something so microscopic. They're sharp, sturdy, and always there when you need them. Titanium Micro Whistle. Don't let the micro tag fool you. The titanium micro whistle is engineered for pure volume. At just over an inch long and weighing less than a coin, this CNC machined whistle produces a piercing 120 decibel blast. To put that in perspective, that's louder than a police siren. It's made from grade 5 titanium, so it's corrosion resistant and virtually indestructible. It's the ultimate survival gadget for hikers or city dwellers who want a reliable distress signal that fits on a necklace or a zipper pull. Atomic Bear Pen. The Atomic Bear Pen looks like a premium writing instrument, and it is, but it's also a tactical beast. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it features a tungsten carbide tip that can shatter a car window in one hit. Watch this. It writes underwater, in extreme heat, and even upside down. But its real secret is its indestructible build. It's the kind of everyday carry item that looks classy in a pocket, but gives you a serious tactical advantage if things ever go south.
Infinity Cube Nano. If you're a fidgeter, the Nano Infinity Cube is your new best friend. Unlike the cheap plastic versions, this one is CNC machined from solid aluminum alloy with high-quality hinges. Listen to that satisfying clink every time it folds. It's heavy, smooth, and designed to be flipped infinitely in the palm of your hand. It's the ultimate desk toy for deep thinkers, providing a tactile, high-end ASMR experience that helps you focus while looking incredibly sleek on your workstation. Miniature Thermal Printer. This is a miniature thermal printer, and it requires zero ink to work. Using heat-sensitive paper, it pairs with your phone via Bluetooth to print labels, photos, or even tiny subscribe stickers in a matter of seconds. It's small enough to fit in a jacket pocket and uses a built-in battery. Whether you're labeling your spice rack or printing out a quick to-do list to stick on your monitor, this little gadget turns your digital notes into physical reality instantly.
Electric Pocket Hand Warmer. Say goodbye to those disposable chemical packets. This electric pocket hand warmer is a rechargeable pebble of pure heat. It features dual-sided heating that reaches up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds. Watch it melt straight through this ice cube. It's perfectly contoured to fit in your palm, and when you aren't using it to stay warm, it doubles as an emergency power bank for your phone. It's the cozy tech essential that makes winter feel like a summer breeze. Mini UV Resin Light. This is the Mini UV Resin Light, and it's basically a real-life fix-it wand. It's no bigger than a AA battery, but it emits a specific wavelength of ultraviolet light that instantly cures liquid resin. Watch, this liquid glue turns into rock-solid plastic in exactly 5 seconds. Whether you're repairing a cracked pair of glasses or creating miniature art, this pocket-sized powerhouse lets you perform structural repairs on the fly with professional-grade strength. Cable Magnet Organizer. If your desk looks like a jungle of tangled wires, you need the Cable Magnet Organizer. This isn't just a clip, it's a series of ultra-strong neodymium magnetic collars that snap onto your existing cables. The base is a weighted, non-slip dock that catches your chargers the moment they get close. Listen to that satisfying snap. It's the ultimate ASMR for anyone who loves a clean workspace. It's simple, elegant, and turns a daily frustration into a perfectly organized ritual. Mini Electric Engraving Pen. The Mini Electric Engraving Pen is a cordless, high-torque tool that lets you customize almost anything you own. It spins at 20,000 RPM, which is enough power to carve through wood, glass, leather, and even metal. Despite the power, it's shaped exactly like a thick marker, giving you the precision to write your name or draw a logo. It's the perfect way to theft-proof your gear, or just add a personal touch to your everyday carry items.
Miyoo Mini V4. The Miyoo Mini V4 is widely considered the holy grail of handheld gaming. It's a retro powerhouse that fits in your shirt pocket but can emulate everything from the original Game Boy to the PlayStation 1. The 2.8-inch laminated screen is incredibly vibrant, making these classic pixels look better than they ever did on the original hardware. It's the ultimate nostalgia trip that you can carry everywhere, turning any boring commute into a high-speed adventure in the palm of your hand. Meter Pro Mini. Grilling used to mean standing over a hot stove, but the Meter Pro Mini is a completely wireless smart thermometer that survives the oven. It has no wires and no external electronics, just a sleek, thin probe that sends real-time temperature data to your phone via Bluetooth. It even predicts exactly when your steak will be perfectly medium rare. It's the world's first truly set-it-and-forget-it kitchen gadget that guarantees a perfect meal every single time. Kazuna Smart Ring. Forget touching your greasy screen while you eat. The Kazuna Smart Ring lets you control your phone from across the room. This titanium-clad wearable features a tiny touch-sensitive surface that lets you scroll through TikTok, flip pages on a Kindle, or even trigger your camera shutter for the perfect selfie. It's waterproof, lasts a week on a single charge, and looks like a piece of high-end jewelry. It's the ultimate lazy tech that feels like you have telekinetic powers. Sharge Pouch Mini. If Batman needed a portable charger, he'd pick the Sharge Pouch Mini. This isn't just a battery, it's a piece of industrial art. With its signature cyberpunk transparent design, you can see every capacitor and chip working to juice up your phone. It's incredibly compact, but it supports fast charging and even features a built-in cable so you're never left stranded. It's the coolest looking power bank in the world, proving that even the most basic utility gadgets can look like they're from the year 2099.
Bitmo Lab Game Baby. This is the Bitmo Lab Game Baby, and it's the ultimate transformer for your iPhone. At first glance, it's just a protective case, but with one quick flip, the bottom half moves to the front, giving you real, tactile, physical buttons for your favorite emulators. No more clunky touch controls. You're getting that classic clicky feel of an original Game Boy in under 2 seconds. It's the perfect blend of modern protection and retro soul, and it doesn't even require a battery to work. The mystery item, Flipper Zero. Is it worth it? We've seen 30 incredible gadgets today, but the big question is, which one is actually the GOAT? For my money, the Flipper Zero takes the crown. While it's the most controversial item on our list, its ability to bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds is unmatched. Is it worth the hype? If you're a curious mind who wants to understand how the world around you actually talks wirelessly, then absolutely. It's not just a gadget, it's a master key to the modern world that fits right on your keychain. And there you have it, 30 mini gadgets that are officially living in the future. If your mind is as blown as ours, do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and join the Gadget Burst family so you never miss a look at the world's coolest tech. Which of these tiny titans was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. I'll be hearting the best ones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.